What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little unboxing. Obviously you can see by probably the title of the video that these are the Air Jordan 1 Zoom High OGs, I'm pretty sure. But these are the Rage Green. I guess they just released in Europe and Asia just recently, but I had to get them off StockX like any other normal person would because I don't have Sneaker Plug. So without further ado, I'm going to take these bad boys out of the box. I already had a little look beforehand. Took the StockX tag off because I don't want to be rocking the sneakers on video with the tag on it because that's kind of corny. Anyway, so here we go. These things are sick. Very sick. At least I think so. So there it is. Nice suede. Swoosh is reflective, which I really like because I'm actually going to be using these shoes for my electric unicycle. They're very stable sole. The upper's more stable than my Ultra Boosts, and I think it's just gonna be a great shoe to EUC in. Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but I wanted to spend the money on good gear, and I got some good gear. Yeah. Excuse me, my throat's going crazy today. But yeah, these things are sick. It comes with the green laces, which match the inside of the heel. They don't really match the green suede on the side, but they do match the stitching in the swoosh, which is very cool. Really like these. But yeah, the sole's icy, translucent. You can see the Zoom cushioning in there. Yes, it is very soft in there. You can see a little Zoom Air down there. But yeah, the leather's nice. It's not super stiff. Feels nice around the toe box. Yeah, these things are gonna be cool. And I forgot to mention that this is my first pair of high tops. I've always had low top sneakers. Never was interested in wearing high tops, but then some Jordans caught my eye. And I'll probably be getting more of the Zoom pairs. It's nice. Hairy suede on the toe box. Very cool. My lighting is shit right now. Sorry about that. Little Zoom tag up there. Yeah, these are, I'm gonna say it again. These things are cool. Definitely gonna swap the green laces on there to make them pop. And I included that I'm going to be using them on my electric unicycle because the reflective is cool for at night. Like when I'm out at night, if a car is coming towards me, it's going to reflect my shoes. I feel that the more reflective gear that I have on at night, the better I will be seen without having a bunch of obnoxious lights located on my person. But yeah. Very excited about these, very, very excited. Don't sleep on these guys. These are going for, in my size at least, these are 7.5s. Like these aren't big size, but some sizes are like 230 something right now. So you could definitely get your hands on a pair. But with fees on StockX and Go, it's probably gonna be around 260, 270, but yeah, definitely pick these up. These are around 130 right now. Asia and Europe release. Not sure when the intended release for the US is. But yeah, nice little suede tab back here. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. No, you can kind of see it. Anyway, can't really review these right now because I haven't worn them. I stepped in one of them and they feel great. They're nice and springy on the inside. Very comfortable for a Jordan 1. Not saying Jordan 1s aren't comfortable. I have Jordan 1 lows, the Lance Mountain Desert Ors, and those are very comfortable. They just don't have the Zoom Air in the sole, which Oh yeah. That shit's soft, man. Anyway, this has been my unboxing of the Jordan 1 Zoom Rage Green. I've seen some people calling them Zen Green, but it actually says Rage in the color on the box. So I guess this is the Tomatillo color, and then the Rage Green is the top heel portion, heel cushion portion. Anyway, yeah, these things are sick. I'm gonna get use out of them. I'll probably post a video, probably on the EUC, riding around with them. Just post like a short video, throw some clips together, go on a short ride. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video of me just talking and looking at these sneakers and not really doing anything, yeah, throw me a like, throw me a subscribe. I'd more than appreciate it, because I'd love to get my channel up and going. I'm sure that everybody wants to get their channel up and running, but I'd very much appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions about these, the fit, the comfort, any questions. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later.